As a part of the conceptual class, we understood how if else statements work. We'll take a couple of examples and see how do they work. First, I will declare a couple of variables and assign some values to them. Two variables are declared and we have assigned values to them. And we are checking if B is greater than A, print B is greater than A. It's just a if statement. Because B is not greater than A, it is not printing anything. We'll reverse it. Now, what we'll do is instead of now you can see B is greater than A. We have to change this statement also. Let's do that so that it is appropriate. Now we have changed this from B is greater than A to A is greater than B, and we have changed A is greater than B here to be printed. Let's execute this and see how it works. Now you can see A is greater than B. It gets printed. Whenever if statement is true, this is a condition. If this condition is true, it will print or it will do whatever is specified below that condition. If it is not true, then it will exit. It will not do anything. What we can do is we can convert this statement into if else statement. In either case, we need to know what is happening. Else. We'll execute this. In this case, if statement is not read. That is the reason it will go to else statement. It will go ahead and print the logic or statement which is mentioned as a part of the else logic. So this is how if and else statements work. Now we'll see how else if also works. So we executed this statement if print B is greater than A, else if A is equal to B, then print B and A are equal. In this case, why are we not getting results? That is because we have not even run this assignment. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now let's execute this. We are trying to check for else if. You can see B and A are equal. This is how you include the else if as a part of the if. I mean, after if, you can go ahead and say else if as well. It all depends on the project and what you are trying to do to use the if else statements. And one more example, what we can see is how do you nest the ifs? We can go for a nested ifs. We'll see how it works. You can see here we assigned 41 to one variable and we are having two ifs. One if nested with another if. If x is greater than 10, print it's above 10. If x is greater than 20, print above 20 also. There are some instances where two conditions may be true, right? In those cases, you can go for a nested ifs. Otherwise, you can have a else statement coming into picture and print but not above. Since both of these statements are true, it is only printing these two. In case if these two statements are not true, it will come to the else. Wonderful then. We understood how do we use if else statements. Please do practice. Have a wonderful time.